Good morning, students. Today I am going to start the subject of satellite communication, and in second chapter we have one topic of satellite subsystem. So, in this particular topic of satellite subsystem, we will discuss about the block diagram and various terms related to it. In satellite communication system, various operations take place, among which the main operations are the orbit control, altitude control, and controlling of subsystem. Okay, so in case of satellite communication, the various things are very important. First of all, control of subsystem, control of orbit, control of altitude of satellite, and the last one is monitor of satellite. A satellite communication consists of two segments. These are space segment and earth segment. So accordingly, there will be two types of subsystem: space segment subsystem, earth segment subsystem. These following figures illustrate. Now, the topic of today's subsystem. So, subsystem consists of two types: space segment and earth segment. And between these particular segments, we have a communication link. So, in this particular place, we will discuss communication that takes place between space segment subsystem and earth segment subsystem through communication link. Now, what is space segment subsystem? The subsystem present in space segment or space segment. Following are the segments of subsystem. First one is your AOC subsystem. Second one is your TTCM subsystem. Third one is your power and antenna subsystem. Last one is your transponder. Now, what is earth subsystem? The earth segment subsystem is present in the ground and has the ability to access the satellite repeater in order to provide the communication between the users. Earth segment is also very important. It has two operations. Those are transmission of signal to the satellite and reception of the signal to the satellite. Earth stations are the major subsystems that is present on the earth system. Now, again, if you look the block diagram of subsystem, in this block diagram we have two segments: space and earth. Space is related to the transmission of the signal. Earth is represented by the reception of the signal. These two things are represented by the communication link, and this will help us to understand how this operation performs. So, This is very important.